Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Mursaleen, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim, assalatu wassalamu alayka ya Rasulullah, wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Habiballah, الصلاة والسلام عليك يا نبي الله وعلى آلك وأصحابك يا نور الله. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever recites the Durood Sharif 200 times on Friday, 200 years of his sins will be forgiven. Sallu ala al-Habib. Abu Sa'ad Abdullah bin Ahmad says, once my daughter Fatima disappeared from the roof of the house. I got worried and went to King of Baghdad, Sayyidina Ghous Azam rahmatullah alayh, and asked for help. He rahmatullah alayh said, go to Kharq and sit in a deserted place during the night and form a fort around yourself. Think of me and recite Bismillah. During the night many Jins will pass you. Their faces will be strange, but do not be frightened. At the time of Sahri, the king of Jins will come to you and ask your requirement. Say to him that Shaykh Abdullah Jalani radiallahu anhu has sent me from Baghdad and I want you to search for my daughter. Therefore I went to Kharq and followed the instructions of Ghous Azam. During the silence of the night, horrifying Jins passed by my fort. The faces of these Jins were so horrific that I could not bear to look at them. At the time of Sahri, the king of Jins came on a horse surrounded by a crowd of other Jins. He remained outside the fort and asked me what I wanted. I said that Ghous Azam rahmatullah alayh has sent me to you. As soon as he heard this, he got off the horse and sat on the ground. The other Jins did the same and sat on the ground outside the fort. I informed him about the disappearance of my daughter. The king of Jins made an announcement amongst the other Jins. Who has taken the girl? Within moments, a Chinese Jin was captured and brought forward as a culprit. The king asked, why did you kidnap the girl from the city of Ghous Azam rahmatullah alayh? The Chinese Jin trembled and said, Your Highness, I fell in love with her upon seeing her. The king ordered the Chinese Jin to be beheaded and had my beloved daughter returned to me. Upon thanking the king, I said, MashaAllah Azzawajal, you are a great lover of Sayyidina Ghous Azam rahmatullah alayh. On hearing this, he replied, by Allah Azzawajal, when Ghous Azam rahmatullah alayh looks at us, all the Jins begin to tremble. Sallu ala al-Habib. Once a group of people came to Ghous Azam rahmatullah alayh and requested, Your Highness, sounds of a dead person screaming can be heard coming from a grave in Babul Azj graveyard. Please bestow some mercy on the unfortunate man so that his punishment is stopped. Ghous Azam rahmatullah alayh asked, did he receive caliphate from me? The people replied, we don't know. He radiallahu anhu asked, did he ever attend my gatherings? Then they again replied that they did not know. He rahmatullah alayh asked, did he ever eat my food? They again said they don't know. He rahmatullah alayh asked, did they ever pray behind me? They gave the same answer. He rahmatullah alayh lowered his blessed head and signs of anger and prestige appearance on his face. After a short while, he radiallahu anhu said, the angels have told me that he has visited me while he was alive and was strongly devoted to me. Therefore Allah Azzawajal has bestowed mercy upon him. Alhamdulillah Azzawajal, the screams were no longer heard. Sallu ala al-Habib. Alhamdulillah Azzawajal, the Sunnah of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is taught and learned in the Madani in the environment of DawateIslami, an international non-political propagational movement of the Quran and Sunnah. The weekly Ijtima takes place every Thursday. It is a Madani request that you participate in this Ijtima and try to spend the night in Faizan in Medina. Make it a habit to travel with the lovers of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam or the Madani Qafilas and while is doing Fikr Madina to fill in your Madani Namaz card daily and to hand it into your area in the Dar with the first 10 days of the new Islamic month. Inshallah, with the blessing of this, we will start acting upon the Sunnah of the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam, have hated the sins and will safeguard our Iman. Inshallah. Every Islamic brother should make the intention that I must try to rectify myself and the people of the whole world. Inshallah. To rectify ourselves, we will act upon the Madani Namaz, and to rectify the people of the whole world, we will travel on the Madani Qafilas. Inshallah. My dear Islamic brothers, what is our Madani mission? I must try to rectify myself and the people of the whole world. Inshallah. I must try to rectify myself and the people of the whole world. Inshallah. I must try to rectify myself and the people of the whole world. Inshallah. ग़ीबत के खिलाफ जंग, ना ग़ीबत करेंगे ना ग़ीबत सुनेंगे, ना ग़ीबत करेंगे ना ग़ीबत सुनेंगे। मोहब्बतों के चोर, मोहब्बतों के चोर, कुफ्र मदीना इंशाअल्लाह, कुफ्र मदीना इंशाअल्लाह, सर पे इमामत इंशाअल्लाह, सल्लु अलल हबीब।